I get some guys trimming my palms today. And they are so good at climbing. Watch this guy go up. The seed pods are very heavy, so they're letting them down using a rope and a pulley to let them down, and then the fronds themselves, they just drop. They're kind of shooting into the sun here. This is the guy on the westernmost palm. Two of these are what they call dirty. Dirty means they're very heavily, they need a really heavy trim. The one just to the right of it, that's not what they call a dirty palm because it doesn't have that much trimming. It's a little bit taller. This is going to be very loud. This is a little wood chipper action. Here's a finished up shot of the palms. It was really fun to watch those guys climb as a 5-man crew. Froggy out.